You know, when you Google something like best hotels in Istanbul or buy running shoes online and you see a few small ad results, probably you know what they are, but just to be sure, that's what we call Google search ads. They might look simple, just lines of texts, right? But behind them, there's a whole system running that decides who gets to show up there. And if you are trying to grow your business online, understanding how that system works can save you lots of time and money. I know there are dozens of videos out there about Google search ads, and to be honest, this is one of them. But at least I'll do my best to give it an honest look and help you to find out what search ads really are without the marketing show. Okay, let's say you just started an online shop. You've got your products, your website is ready, but no one is visiting. And it's okay, because you don't want hundreds of random people visiting the website. You just want the right ones, people who are already looking for what you are selling. That's exactly where Google Search Ads is useful. Because unlike other ads that interrupt people while they scroll, I'm not saying they are not useful, they have other purposes, but search ads appear only when someone is actively searching for what you are offering. In search ads case, you're not a stalker. You're not chasing them. They're already on their way to you. Basically, you show up when it actually matters. That's why we call it the most intent based form of advertising. But here's the catch, and there is always a catch. It's not just about throwing money at Google and hoping your ad shows up first. Every single search triggers an auction, and in that auction, Google looks at more than just your budget. It checks how relevant your ad is. It is very important whether your ad is likely to get clicked or not. Also, it looks at your landing page and understand whether what you are offering on that page is matching with what the person searched for or not. If the answers are yes, you will often pay less and rank higher. If not, your ad might not appear at all. What I'm trying to say is, it's not only about spending money, it's about understanding how Google decides what's useful for the user. And that's the part that confuses lots of beginners. Once you understand that part, things start to click because you begin picking the right keywords. The ones people actually type when they are ready to buy or learn. You start writing ads that sound human, not robotic, and matches with what people are looking for. And you make sure your landing page actually delivers what your ad promises and resonates with potential buyers' desire. After all this understanding and taking actions accordingly, you start to see results. Your clicks get cheaper, your ads perform better, and suddenly you're not fighting with the algorithm. Instead, you are working with it. It is really just a shift in mindset from trying to beat the system to actually understanding and working with it. At that point, your ads don't just bring traffic, they bring people who genuinely want what you offer. Plus, on Google Ads panel, you can see what's working and what's not, and improve from there. That's the real value of Google search ads and all the other Google ad types. You are not likely to see instant miracles, but clear, measurable progress that you can actually control. And still, it is much, much faster than other alternatives. So, if you have ever looked at those little text ads on Google and thought, how do they even work? Now you know. And this was the second video of our learning Google Ads journey. And we keep getting warmer. What we try to do in these videos is to focus on what really matters. And it is honestly really simple. If you want to come along and be a part of these videos, like and subscribe. See you at the next one.